Christian, where are you going?
I wanna see
So you gotta listen.
what happens if I yank these monsters. If these monster trucks fly off this couch.
You can only put one at a time. There you go.
It's
Okay.
either
Are you gonna open up the other ones?
a total of 15
Yeah,
or a
I just
total
like this one a lot.
of 50.
Hit.
Alright, so I'm gonna write that
Okay, I'm
down.
gonna put this one
15.
right. I'm gonna put this one right here,
Okay, so look
and I'm
at
gonna
this.
open up the other
Now.
one.
What type of cards do you think you have to get to the 15?
Okay. I wanna try the big monster trucks.
You want to open up the minis?
What about this one? Oh, not this one yet. Okay, I'm gonna open up
What would low numbers?
Mini, 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 mo. Touch the tiger
Yes,
by itself.
4.
If it holds like mini, mini,
2.
mini, mo.
Going after the Hot
Two more
Wheels.
numbers. What's in between the 2 and 4? Just throw out one more number. 3. Okay, what's the least number? 1. 1 in cards. Do you know what that's called? Begins with an A.
So what do you want to do with that money you got from Grandma?
Yes.
You want?
Oh, this can
I'm just gonna
spin.
write A.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So these
You want to go
are the
to
only
Target and get some more of these?
numbers
Oh, yeah?
you want. Alright, they get a
Alright.
15.
$25 will get you a couple.
Now, well, that only has a
Actually, I want to
no,
get
but
Monkey Box at
but
Target.
you
Alright.
get more than
And
one of
this.
those
Like, I'll
in
spend,
your
like,
hand because you get 5.
how about I spend 10 on a Wanky
5
Box?
cards.
Actually, no, I'll spend 15 on a Wanky
So,
Box, and I'll spend
If you get a
10
6,
on
7,
a
8,
monster.
or 9, either
Splitting
way,
them.
either with 15 or 50,
Ha!
the 6, 7, 8, or 9, you don't
Aw,
want those cards.
you got the. You're having fun.
Okay, you only want the cards.
Get me at the bus here. Ah!
So you get a 6, a 7,
What about me? Ah!
okay? Now, to get 50, now you're going to get